Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came up with another new video which is how to convert the negative values into positive by using a different methods. So here I have created a table for different formulas. Let's get into the video and see how I'm going to convert the negative values into positive. So this is the first method. What I'm doing is I'm typing it as an absolute function. Select equal, type ABS and the number. Select any of the negative value, press enter. So the negative value got converted into positive. The same formula you can copy to all other cells. This is the first method. And the second method, I'm going to use the max function. Select max and the number 1 is the where you have a negative value. Post that, give the comma and minus. Again select the value and enter it. So the negative value got converted into positive. And in the third method, I'm going to use the if function. So for that, if, select the if and the logical text is the negative value. Post that, give the comma. So greater than, equal to 0, comma. Again select the value, comma, minus. Again select the value and enter it. So the negative value got converted into positive. So I'm copying the same formula to all the cells. So now I want to showcase the formula which we have used in this columns. For that, I'm going to use formula text option and select the cell where you have used the formula and enter it. It will showcase you the formulas what we have used in this. So I'm copying the same formula to all the cells. So this is the 3 different methods. And the fourth method is I'm going to showcase you by using a flash fill option. So for this, select any of the negative value. In the next column, type the positive value with reference to the same number. So here I'm taking as a -9. I'm typing it as a +9. Post that, going to data tab and using a flash fill option. So it got converted all the negative values into positive, if you see. So this is a fourth method. So we'll see next method in Power Query edit mode. For that, I'm taking a duplicate copy into a different sheet. So select any of the cell, go to data tab and select from table array range option. So it was opened with a create table dialog box. Press OK. So it will route us to Power Query edit mode. So already we have seen in my previous videos also. So the same data will be loaded into Power Query edit mode. If you see the Excel data and the Power Query edit data is same, the -82, 33, 9. So now what you will do, on a top you find the plus or minus values, right? Just right click over there. So you will find a transform option. In that, absolute value, just select that. So now all the negative values got converted into positive. So to load this, what we will do is just go to home tab, close and load too. So it will be open the import data dialog box. It will ask for a existing workbook. So select existing workbook, any of the cell, press OK. So it will be loading into our Excel. So if you see, the data got loaded in Excel. So in earlier also I have mentioned Power Query edit mode is completely a dynamic. Let's see, now I'm going to enter a negative value. Will it change or not? We'll see here. Okay, so I'm going to data tab and refresh all. See, it got converted into positive values. So this is completely a dynamic method. So in the next method, we'll use a custom option and we'll change the negative values into positive. For that, what I'm doing is I'm selecting all the cells, right click, go to format cells. So go to custom option. So here it is general, right? Just remove this. Here type hash semicolon and hash. Just press OK. So now here all the negative values converted into positive values in this complete column. So this is the different methods. Now we will see how to convert the positive values into negative. For that we will use a reverse option with the same formula so that it will be reflecting the negative values as is. So for that, just go to the cell where you want, select equals, give the minus, post the type absolute formula and select the number, enter it. So it will showcase as minus only because already it is a negative value. Copy the same formula to all the cells. So if you see, all the values got converted into negative. In the next formula, we'll use minimum. Previously we have used maximum, so now we will use minimum function. So select the cell and give the comma, again minus, and select the cell, enter it. So it will convert all the positive values into negative. In the third method, we are going to use if function. If the logical text, now we are using a less than 0, comma, select the text, comma, again minus, and select the text, enter it. So now it will convert all the positive values into negative. Similarly, I'm entering the formula here by using the formula text option. So this is the different methods to use positive values into negative, negative values into positive. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, please do subscribe my channel.